Hello friends! In this video tutorial, we'll take a deep dive and walk you through the entire process. We'll learn the correct and most up-to-date way to unblock someone you've previously blocked on WhatsApp. Before we move on, if this is your first time watching, please support my work by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons. This helps a lot and ensures you see future videos. Also, consider liking and sharing this video with your friends and family who might also find this helpful. I assure you, this method works on regular WhatsApp app as well as professional WhatsApp business. This method is compatible and works on both iPhones and Androids. For example, we'll demonstrate using the regular WhatsApp app. First, I'll open it as usual, then tap the three-dot icon here. Following that, I'll simply tap the Settings menu option from right here. If your smartphone is an iPhone, you'll need to find a specific section at the bottom of the screen. This section is clearly labeled Settings. For example, my phone is an Android. I'll now tap this exact spot, then you'll want to tap the option labeled Privacy. Now, it's important to note that if your phone is set to a different language, you should try to remember the icons and the specific locations you need to navigate to. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this spot right here. After that, scroll down a little, then look for the option labeled Contacts. I will tap on this spot. After that, tap on the first option. As you can see, I'd previously blocked 8 individuals. Tapping here shows all these people I've blocked. For example, I'll demonstrate unblocking this person. First, I'll tap here to select them, then tap right here to confirm. As you can see, I've successfully unblocked this person, and you can use this method to unblock others. Now that you've reached this point, please don't forget to check out the updated list. Our WhatsApp tutorial playlist offers important guides and instructions that we're sure you'll enjoy and benefit from. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, my friends.